Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to all of you in Network Professionals, the Cisco Networking Academy, and I am your instructor Ahmed Malik. Welcome to all of you in Introduction to DevOps series. In this complete playlist of short and long videos, we will try to cover the concepts of DevOps through detailed overview of DevOps. What is DevOps? Why we need DevOps? History of DevOps, core DevOps principles, phases of DevOps, how DevOps can benefit from AI and machine learning, what is DevOps platform, what is the goal of DevOps, how DevOps work and life cycle of DevOps. DevOps is a combination of software development (DEV dev) and operations (OPS) ops. It is defined as a software engineering methodology which aims to integrate the work of development teams and operations team by facilitating a culture of collaboration and shared responsibility. This is possible through a combination of various DevOps tools. Choosing the right tool is instrumental in translating DevOps ideas into tangible outcomes. These DevOps tools enhance productivity, boost transparency, accelerate time to market for products and services, and elevate key performance indicators such as code throughput and reliability metrics. The result is an expedited value generation process aligning with the strategic goals of your organization. If you want to build better software faster, DevOps is the answer. Here's how this software development methodology brings everything to the table to create secure code quickly. DevOps is a methodology in the software development and IT industry used as a set of practices and tools. DevOps integrates and automates the work of software development and IT operations as a means for improving and shortening the system development life cycle. History of DevOps. Proposals to combine software development methodologies with deployment and operation concepts begin to appear in the late 80s and early 90s. Around 2007 and 2008, concerns were raised by those within the software development and IT communities that the separation between the two industries, where one wrote and created software entirely separate from those that deploy and support the software, was creating a fatal level of dysfunction within the industry. So in 2009, the first conference named DevOps Days was held in Belgium. The conference was founded by Belgian consultant, project manager, and agile practitioner Patrick DeBose. The conference has now separated to other countries. In 2012, a report called State of DevOps was first published by Alana Brown at Puppet Labs. As of 2014, the annual State of DevOps report was published by Nicholas Volsgreen, Gin Kim, and Jazz Humble, and others. They stated that the adoption of DevOps was accelerating. Also in 2014, Lisa Crispin and Janet Gregory wrote the book More Agile Testing, containing a chapter on testing and DevOps. In 2016, the DORA metrics for throughput and stability were published in the State of DevOps report. However, the research methodology and metrics were criticized by experts. An overview of DevOps. DevOps combines development and operations to increase the efficiency, speed, and security of software development and delivery compared to traditional processes. A more nimble software development lifecycle results in a competitive advantage for businesses and their customers. DevOps is a combination of software development (DEV dev) and operations (OPS ops). It is defined as a software engineering methodology which aims to integrate the work of development teams and operation teams by facilitating a culture of collaboration and shared responsibility. Core DevOps principles. The DevOps methodology comprises four key principles that guide the effectiveness and efficiency of application development and deployment. These principles center on the best aspects of modern software development. These principles are: number one, automation of the software development lifecycle; number two, collaboration and communication; number three, continuous improvement and minimization of waste; number three, hyper-focus on user needs with short feedback loops. By adopting these principles, organizations can improve code quality, achieve a faster time to market, and engage in better application planning. Four phases of DevOps. As DevOps has evolved, so has its complexity. This complexity is driven by two factors. First, the organizations are moving from monolithic architecture to microservices architectures. As DevOps matures, organizations need more and more DevOps tools per project. Secondly, the result of more projects and more tools per project has been an exponential increase in the number of project tool integrations. This necessitated a change in the way organizations adopted DevOps tools. This evolution took place in following four phases. Phase 1: bring your own DevOps, bring to best in class DevOps. Phase 3: do it yourself DevOps, and Phase 4: DevOps platform. How DevOps can benefit from AI and machine learning. AI and machine learning are still maturing in their applications for DevOps, but there is plenty of organizations to take advantage of today, including using the technology to make sense of test data. AI and machine learning can find patterns, figure out the coding problems that they cause bugs, and alert DevOps teams so they can dig deeper. Similarly, DevOps teams can use AI and machine learning to shift through security data from logs and other tools to detect breaches, attacks, and more. Once these issues are found, AI and machine learning can respond with automated mitigation techniques and alerting. AI and machine learning can save developers and operation professionals time by learning how they work best, making suggestions within workflows, and automatically provisioning preferred infrastructure configurations. What is a DevOps platform? DevOps brings the human silos together, and a DevOps platform does the same thing for tools. Many teams start their DevOps journey with a disparate collection of tools, all of which have to be maintained and many of which don't or can't integrate. A DevOps platform brings tools together in a single application for unparalleled collaboration, visibility, and development velocity. A DevOps platform is how modern software should be created, secured, released, and monitored in a repeatable fashion. A true DevOps platform means teams can iterate faster and innovate together because everyone can contribute. Benefits of DevOps culture. Business value of DevOps and the benefits of a DevOps culture. lies in the ability to improve the production environment in order to deliver software faster with continuous improvement. You need the ability to anticipate and respond to industry disruptors without delay. This becomes possible within an agile software development process where teams are empowered to be autonomous and delivered faster, reducing work in progress. Once this occurs, teams are able to respond to demands at the speed of the market. There are some fundamental concepts that need to be put into action in order for DevOps to function as designed, including the need to remove institutionalized silos and handoffs that leads to roadblocks and constraints, particularly in instances where the measurements of success for one team is in direct odds with another team's key performance indicators. It also includes implement a unified toolchain using a single application that allows multiple teams to share and collaborate. This will enable teams to accelerate delivery and provide fast feedback to one another. What is the goal of DevOps? DevOps represents a change in mindset for IT culture. In building on top of the agile practices, DevOps focuses on incremental development and rapid delivery of software. Success relies on the ability to create a culture of accountability, improve collaboration, empathy, and joint responsibility for business outcomes. Adopting a DevOps strategy enables businesses to increase operational efficiencies, deliver better products faster, and reduce security and compliance risk. DevOps lifecycle. The DevOps lifecycle stretches from the beginning of software development through to delivery, maintenance, and security. The stages of DevOps lifecycle are plan, create, verify, package, secure, release, configure, monitor, and govern. These are the 9 different stages of DevOps lifecycle. That's enough for today, and stay connected for all upcoming videos. Thank you very much.